We designed Sentinel to be very easy to deploy, fast to get started with, and have almost no impact on your existing application. To get started, simply create an account on sentinel.leanserver.com. The next step is to download and install our monitoring service. You only need one service, and it can be installed anywhere in your environment. You do not need to open any firewall ports or allow any external access to your network. Next, use our website to add each server you would like to monitor. Sentinel will automatically download the list of servers and begin to monitor them remotely using built-in Windows protocols. Most of the data Sentinel collects is numeric performance metrics and does not include any sensitive files or application data. This monitoring is extremely lightweight, does not require anything to be installed on each server, and has virtually no impact on your application. The monitoring service will then correlate the incoming data and stream it to our cloud system for analysis. Sentinel creates a highly compressed data stream that requires very low bandwidth and sends it over a secure, authenticated HTTPS channel to our trusted cloud to ensure the privacy of your data. Within minutes of adding your first server, your data will become available on sentinel.leanserver.com so you can watch, analyze, and instantly diagnose problems with your application. Let's create our first Sentinel session. Getting started with Sentinel takes just a few minutes. First, we'll need to create a session. A session will typically contain data about a specific environment, for example, our MegaSearch production application. Next, we'll need to download and install a recording service. Take note of the access key provided here. You'll need it in just a moment. The Sentinel installer will automatically make sure you're installing the latest and greatest version of the monitoring service. When asked, enter the key provided on the download page. Next, enter the account you would like to run the service as. This step is very important. To properly monitor the servers, this account must be a member of the administrators group on each server you need to monitor. Once the installation finishes, the website will automatically detect the monitoring service and allow us to proceed. Now we can add the servers that are hosting our application. Type in the host names for each server. Here, you can also pick the monitoring profile that controls how much data we collect. You can choose to collect only numeric metrics or additional data like exceptions, which allow more powerful diagnostics. You may also need to run a batch file on each server to make sure Sentinel can properly monitor it. Sentinel will now automatically configure the recording service to begin monitoring our servers. Seconds later, our servers are online and collecting data. That's it! We can now begin watching our data and diagnosing application problems in real time. Sentinel is fast and easy to set up, and uses lightweight monitoring with no impact on your application. Sentinel securely and efficiently streams non-sensitive application performance data to our cloud for real-time diagnostics. It does not require you to open any ports in your firewall or allow any external access to your environment. Sentinel deploys in minutes to offer you unparalleled monitoring and diagnostic power for your production .NET applications. If you're running a .NET web application in your data center or the cloud, you need to try Sentinel.